guys, so today we're going to be making chicken and steak Alfredo using Cavatappi noodles. Let's jump right into the recipe here. I am going to oil my pan with some olive oil. I have some garlic, Parmesan, and basil butter that I'm going to be using to cook the chicken and the steak in. Here is the steak. Alright, and now I'm going to be cooking the chicken. By the way, the chicken and the steak was already pre-seasoned and marinated in the refrigerator, so I just took that out and tossed them both in the pan. Off camera at this point in time, I am getting my water boiled for my Cavatappi Pasta. I just love those noodles. We are going to start to make the Alfredo sauce. So I'm just going to use the same pan I cooked the chicken in. Don't do what I did and drop in the packet for the scallions and onions, and we're just going to saute those in. I'm also going to add in some garlic and then some mushrooms as well, and I'm going to let that kind of just saute in those juices that were already created by that chicken. I'm going to cover that for a little bit. I'm going to uncover it. I'm just going to add about 2 cups of heavy cream into this. Give it a nice stir. Let that simmer as well. I'm going to cover that and come back and season it. These are the seasonings on the screen that I am using for my Alfredo sauce. Remember to season until your ancestors tell you to stop. I also covered this as well to let it all marinate together with those beautiful seasonings, and then I'm coming back here with that fresh shaved Parmesan. You can use shredded, any type of Parmesan cheese you want to use. You can definitely go ahead and use that. This is just the one that I chose in particular. With the cheese, add as much as you want to get the consistency that you like. Now we're about to get right into plating. I am just going to put the pasta on the bottom of the plate. I'm going to slice that beautiful chicken that we cooked earlier. I'm going to also slice that beautiful steak. Always remember when you are cooking steak to let it rest before you do start to cut it, just to help savor those flavors as well. The same thing with your chicken too. Now it's just simple to plate this. We're going to take that sliced chicken and that sliced steak. We're going to top it right over the pasta. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese right in the middle. And then just for appearances, we're just going to top it off with some parsley for visual purposes. And there you have it. This was quick and easy. If you never knew how to make homemade Alfredo sauce, here was a free game recipe for you. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Put on those notifications so you can always know when I am posting a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching.